Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am excited to introduce you to eDrawMind, an AI-powered diagram maker that's perfect for anyone needing to create stunning professional diagrams in no time. Whether you are working on a mind map, organizing a workflow, or designing complex UML diagrams, EdraMind is the ultimate visual alternative that brings AI into the equation to make diagramming easier and faster than ever. From flowcharts to network diagrams, Gantt charts to floor plans, EdraMind covers it all. Stick around as I'll walk you through its most powerful features, including AI-driven tools, seamless conversion options, and real-time collaborations, all packed into one software. A template for every need. With eDrawMind, you'll never have to start from scratch. The latest version of eDrawMind V12 introduced some exciting new features: AI image processing. You can now edit images within your diagrams, removing backgrounds, compressing files, and even eliminating unwanted objects with just a few clicks. Pitch Mode. This feature turns static diagrams into animated, visually engaging presentations. Ideal for pitching a new project idea or product to clients or stakeholders. And it does not stop there. If you are in project management, eDrawMind's AI can create PERT chart, Kanban board, or Gantt chart for you in seconds. Whether you are visualizing a project's critical path or managing daily tasks, eDrawMind's AI tools make it easier than ever. Kanban mode easily converts your diagrams into a Kanban board to manage tasks and monitor team progress. Perfect for project management and agile workflows. Mixed layouts. Get creative with 15 different layout options, ensuring your diagram fits your presentation style and the message you want to convey. eDrawMind does not just cater to general users, it's packed with specialized templates and tools for every industry. From P&ID process flow diagram for engineers to ER diagram and UML diagrams for software developers, the platform covers a wide range of needs. eDrawMind slide mode is another game changer. It automatically breaks down your complex diagram, whether it's a workflow or a value stream map, into easy to understand slides. You'll never have to worry about making a separate PowerPoint again. eDrawMind does it for you, slide by slide in an engaging way. The software offers hundreds of ready-to-use templates covering all types of diagrams. Here's just a taste of what you can choose from: block diagrams for system processes, arrow diagrams for visualizing workflows, timelines and S-shaped timelines for project tracking, fishbone diagrams for root cause analysis, Venn diagrams for comparing data sets, BPMN and cross-functional flowcharts for mapping business processes, swim lane diagrams for organizing tasks by team or department, or organizational charts and family trees, comparison diagrams and spider charts for visual analysis, Gantt charts and Kanban boards for project management, network diagrams for IT infrastructures. Whatever your project or industry, there's a template here for you. And if you are transitioned from Microsoft Visio, you can import Visio files and edit them directly in eDrawMind, making it a seamless experience. AI-powered diagram creation. Now let's talk about how eDrawMind's AI supercharges your workflow. You can easily convert your documents or notes into mind maps, flowcharts, or concept diagrams with the click of a button. The AI analyzes the structure of your content and automatically generates a relevant diagram. This is perfect for busy professionals or students who want to quickly visualize ideas. Imagine you are writing a project report and need a cause and effect diagram or a SWOT analysis. Upload your document and the AI take care of the rest. Organizing your data into an easy to edit visual format, the AI does not just automate the process, it also provides intelligent suggestions as you build, helping you to expand on ideas, add additional details, or optimize the flow of information. One of the things I love most about eDrawMind is the ability to customize every element of your diagram, from fonts, colors, and themes to the layout and design elements. You have full control. You can even add symbols, stickers, and emojis to personalize your work. The customization options are especially powerful for business users. Imagine creating a competitive analysis or a customer journey map and being able to match your brand's color and design standards. The possibilities are endless, and it ensures your diagrams look professional every time. With eDrawMind, importing and exporting diagrams is incredibly easy and versatile. Whether you want to import visual files or export your diagram as a PPT, PDF, HTML, or JPG, eDrawMind ensures compatibility across platforms. You can also export your diagram as interactive visual files, which is perfect if your team is still using visual viewers or visual editor. This flexibility extends beyond simple formats. You can export detailed UML diagrams, network layouts, and even floor plans into formats that integrate directly with enterprise systems like AWS architecture or Azure architecture diagrams. Collaboration is key in today's fast-paced environment. And eDrawMind understands that the software includes real-time collaboration features allowing multiple team members to work on a diagram simultaneously. You can assign tasks, track progress, and even receive AI-generated insights on how to improve your diagrams. With cloud synchronization, you can start a diagram on your desktop and continue it later on your mobile or tablet. If you are an architect, you'll appreciate features like the floor plan creator, which allows you to design office layouts, electrical plans, or fire evacuation routes with ease. For data analysis and business professionals, eDrawMind includes advanced features like value stream mapping, per charts, risk management diagrams, 5 force analysis, and trust analysis. No matter your profession or industry, eDrawMind has the tools you need to turn complex ideas into clear professional diagrams. If you are looking for a powerful AI driven visual alternative that covers everything from mind maps and flowcharts to network diagrams and UML, then eDrawMind is a perfect solution. Its combination of AI, customization, and collaboration features make it ideal for professionals, educators, and students alike. Visit eDrawMind website today to start your journey and experience the future of diagramming, whether you are visualizing processes, mapping out strategies, or managing projects. eDrawMind has you covered. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.